guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you how to get hacks once they have been discontinued. So they got banned, or they got deleted like on April 8th, I'm pretty sure. So they've been gone for about 12 days, but somebody made a download that you can do. It won't put a virus on your computer because I have it on my computer. No virus, no anything. And yeah, I'm going to be telling you the story of how I got here, and then I'm going to be telling you how to get this. But before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of May, so it would mean a lot if you could subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this all started about 2 days ago when I posted this video saying that hacks were down. It was 1 day ago, but about 2 days ago, because I filmed the video then. So Prodigy hacks were are gone, but this person named Sky Tornado Gaming, I am giving a huge shout out to him. Go subscribe to him as well. And so he told me that he knows a way to get hacks. So he sent me a download that you can do. It didn't work. It said that my school, I'm not in school by the way when I do this, so it said the school doesn't allow people to do this, so that didn't work. But then I went onto the Prodigy Discord, which looks like this, and they said that that they were discontinued. But then I asked them about another thing, or about the zip that you could download, and then they sent me to a new Discord server, which looks like this. I will leave the link to it in the description so that you can go here, and you'd want to go to the how to install page. So once I got here, I pressed this link which sent me here. All you have to do is press this download right here, and then it gives you the other steps here. So you download, go to your extensions. So once you're here, you're going to want to turn on developer mode, and then you're going to want to press on wherever you keep your files, and then you are going to want to open the zip, X out, and then press the load unpacked. So you'd press the extension zip and then open it, and then you would get it. So then after that, all you'd have to do is go to Prodigy, and then you have this back. So as I said before, make sure to like and subscribe. This is going to end up the video. And then there are also some stuff down here that I'm definitely going to try out in a different video. But yeah, that's going to end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.